Welcome back to the channel. Dogecoin's chart and patterns suggest a big comeback, especially after Elon Musk's full support to President-elect Donald Trump and how much weight Elon will be carrying in decision-making. It's clear to see how Tesla's stock price is running north. Dogecoin is another asset that Elon loves and calls himself Dogecoin enthusiast. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video so you never miss out on our latest videos. Doge could enter a parabolic rally if it closes above a key resistance line. Past cycles have shown explosive gains driven by specific chart patterns. Analysts see potential but are cautious about ultra-high price targets. Doge is sparking excitement among investors as key indicators suggest it could be on the verge of a significant rally. According to a prominent trader, Doge's historical price action points to an inverse head and shoulders chart pattern, a favorite among traders for its predictive power in signaling upward trends. When this setup occurs, Dogecoin has gone on to witness explosive gains during previous cycles, which include one cycle that saw a massive 3,000% rise and another that jumped an astonishing 12,000%. Dogecoin is once again inching its way toward the critical yellow line resistance. Any weekly close above it might just trigger another parabolic move. The inverse head and shoulders pattern has been consistent with massive rallies, he said, hinting that any bearish feeling might shortly be flipped. Meanwhile, Doge flirtation with breaking through its resistance is the volumes rising in trades that fuel speculation of a long rally well into 2025. Important to note that Dogecoin's performance may depend on Bitcoin's movement as well. Another analyst commented, noting that Doge tends to reach the 1.618 Fibonacci level, or macro golden pocket, in previous cycles. In this area, the next possible target could be at $3.90, but he does not really believe in this figure and suggests that a more realistic resistance could be closer to $1.80. Looking ahead, what can happen? Let's talk about it. Doge chatters are hyped over a potential close above the yellow line, wherein veteran traders discuss $10 and beyond as viable targets for a potential long position. Of course, such projections are highly speculative, and analysts warn against setting optimistic targets for the token's price without visible market catalysts. Dogecoin's road from a meme token to the one which can bring good income underlines its special place in the crypto world. However, Doge still highly depends on market sentiment and volume. Once Doge breaks resistance and sustains volume, the stage could be set for a significant rally. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future updates on financial topics that might be useful for you. And, as always, if you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all, and I'll do my best to answer any questions you have. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.